Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping both meshes. Import the character and the garment, then apply scale and rotation so transforms are clean. Once done, switch the garment to a cloth physics object and enable collision on the body so they interact correctly. Create a vertex group for pins and paint weights where the fabric should stay attached. This prevents sliding during simulation. Make sure face normals are consistent and that both meshes sit slightly apart to avoid initial intersections. You now tune the cloth behavior by adjusting mass and stiffness values to match fabric type. Lighter mass and low structural stiffness for silk versus higher for denim. Enable self-collision and tweak collision distance to 1 to 3 centimeters or lower for tight fits. Increase quality steps to reduce penetration. Pin stiffness and sewing constraints help hold shape. Add springs or surface deform if needed. Finally, run a short bake to preview, and then refine parameters before a full bake. You finish by applying or exporting the simulated mesh, then retopologize where necessary to get proper edge flow for animation or game export. If the fabric looks thin, add a solidify modifier. For small intersections, use shrink wrap or corrective shape keys. When problems persist, increase self-collision quality or subdivide problem areas and make sure pin weights are consistent. Uneven weights often cause jumps. If seams pop, reduce simulation step size and rebake until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.